Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, marketing manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I tell you what, we're getting ready to put another vehicle on the lot. You can see the extended van we have. I tell you, if you know of anybody, that organization that has a larger group of people they need to transport, this is a vehicle you may want to maybe tag them in, give them a phone call, give them a text, contact them, whether it be a church group, school group, or any organization. This van has 4 seats in it, in addition to the 2 front seats that are up front. So you can get a lot of people in this. And this is a 2019 Chevy Express. It's a 3500, so it's heavy duty suspension on it. It's an LT. So I'm going to do a quick walk around on this with the entire van. Then we'll open up on the inside and take a look. But being a 2019, the van appears to be in very good condition. It does have a 6-liter V8 engine. You can see it does have the tinted windows in the back, good tread on the tires. Nice thing with this one for safety, it does have a backup camera, and I'll show you where the camera lens is right there. So walk around, show you this side. Very good condition. Let's go ahead. I want to actually go on the other side and open the door up. And just like that, we got the door open. We'll go up here and take a look inside. You can see everything is nice and clean looking on this. But there's your first row of seats, second, third, and all the way in back is your fourth. You do have good room for a walkway through here. Now, one thing I want to notice, overhead, you do have vents going all the way back, in addition to lights. And we'll pan around here, show you the front. Let's go up there and take a look now. Okay, here we are, got the front door open. Before I hop in, I just wanted to show you the door panel. All kinds of storage capacity here, and window controls, and for your outside mirrors. And before I hop in, I'll show you your lights controls here. But you do have power seats on this. Right there are the controls for your driver's seat. Okay, here we are on the inside of the van. I'm going to show you around a little bit. Let me go ahead and start this. See the gauges come alive. Now, I do not have my seatbelt on. That's what is flashing red in the upper left hand corner. So you do have cruise control in this with steering wheel controls. Go over here to your command center. You can see you got vents here, vents on the right, your heating, cooling, audio for your stereo. It does have OnStar capabilities. Now, one thing I want to show you, you do have some controls up here for your heating and cooling. That actually controls the back units that are overhead. So you can control it from up here, and you can put it at the top or on the floor, and you're cold to your hot. So it's actually a very nice van. Open this up, you do have storage capacity. You do have gray cloth interior on this. So very nice van indeed, very nice. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's our 2019 Chevy Express multi-passenger van. It's a 3500 LT series. We've got this price, we feel, very nicely for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. We do have financing options available, but like I said, please share this video with anyone you know that may be on the market, church group, school group, or any organization that needs to transport a lot of people. So with that, I hope you have a great day.